Welcome to Inside Daily English. Everyday life, everyday English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Inside Daily English.
Hello. Good to see you all again.
Today is a special day. We are going to talk about something warm, something cozy.
Oh, I love cozy things.
Me too. Today, we talk about movie night.
Movie night. Yes, I love movie nights.
Movie night is very special. You sit down, you relax, you watch a story.
And sometimes you laugh, sometimes you cry.
Yes, movies make us feel many things.
That's beautiful.
So today, we talk about movies. We talk about feelings. We talk about our favorite movie nights.
I'm so excited.
Me too! Let's start.
Let's do it.
Do you remember your first movie night, Alex?
Oh, yes, I remember. I was very young, maybe 7 years old.
7 years old. That's so sweet.
My family sat together, we made popcorn, we turned off the lights.
Oh, I love that. The lights are off. The movie starts.
Yes, it feels magical.
Magical. That's the perfect word.
What about you, Emma? Do you remember your first movie night?
I do. I was very small, maybe 6 years old.
6 years old. Wow.
My mom and I watched a movie together. It was about friendship.
Friendship. That's beautiful.
I cried a little. My mom held my hand.
Oh, that's so warm.
It was warm. I felt safe. I felt loved.
That's what movie night is about. Feeling close to people you love.
Yes, exactly. Movie night is about connection.
Connection. I like that.
So today, we want to share this feeling with you.
We want you to feel the warmth, the joy, the magic of movie night.
And we will learn some English expressions too.
Yes, but it's not studying. It's just listening, feeling.
That's right. Just relax, listen, enjoy.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
So, Emma, let's talk about movie night.
Yes, I love talking about movies.
Me too. What is your favorite kind of movie?
Oh, that's a good question. I love movies with heart.
Movies with heart. What does that mean?
It means movies with deep feelings. Movies that touch your soul.
Oh, I love that. I feel the same way.
What about you, Alex? What kind of movies do you like?
I like movies that make me smile. Movies that make me feel hope.
Hope. That's beautiful.
Yes, when I watch a good movie, I feel hope. I feel like everything will be okay.
That's exactly how I feel too.
So what movie do you remember most?
Oh, there is one movie. I watched it many years ago. It was about a little robot.
A Little Robot? Oh, I think I know this movie.
Yes, the robot was very small, very lonely.
Lonely. That's sad.
Yes, but then the robot found a friend.
A friend. That's wonderful.
Yes, and the robot learned about love.
Oh, that's so touching.
I cried so much. I cried happy tears.
Happy tears. I know that feeling.
Yes, sometimes we cry because we feel so much love.
That's right. Tears are not always sad.
No, sometimes tears are full of joy.
I love that. I love movies that make me cry happy tears.
Me too. What about you, Alex? What movie do you remember?
Oh, there is one movie. It's about a family.
A family. I love family movies.
Yes, this family was very different, but they loved each other so much.
Love is the most important thing.
Yes, in the movie they had problems, they had fights.
All families have fights sometimes.
Yes, but they always came back together.
They came back together? That's beautiful.
Yes, the movie showed me that family is forever.
Family is forever. I love that.
Me too. I felt so warm after watching that movie.
Warm. Yes. Good movies make us feel warm inside.
Exactly. They make us feel like we belong.
We belong. That's a powerful feeling.
It is. Everyone wants to belong.
Yes, everyone wants to feel loved.
And movies show us that love.
They do. Movies remind us that we are not alone.
Not alone. That's important.
So, Alex, tell me, how do you prepare for a movie night?
Oh, I have a routine.
A routine. Tell me more.
First, I choose a movie. I think about what I want to feel.
What you want to feel. That's smart.
Yes, sometimes I want to laugh. Sometimes I want to cry.
So you choose the movie based on your mood.
Yes, exactly.
That's a good idea.
Then I make popcorn.
Oh, popcorn. That's classic.
Yes, movie night without popcorn is not complete.
I agree. Popcorn is essential.
Essential, yes. Then I turn off all the lights.
Dark room, big screen.
Yes, it feels like a real cinema.
I love that feeling.
And then I sit down, I relax, I let the movie take me away.
Take you away. That's beautiful.
Yes, for 2 hours, I forget my worries. I just feel.
You just feel. That's wonderful.
What about you, Emma? How do you prepare?
Oh, I love this question. I also have a routine.
Tell me.
First, I make my space cozy.
Cozy. I love cozy.
Yes, I get a soft blanket, I put pillows on the couch.
Soft blanket, pillows, perfect.
Yes, then I make some tea.
Tea, that's nice.
Warm tea makes me feel calm.
Calm, yes, that's important.
Then I choose a movie, usually something with heart.
Something with heart, like we talked about.
Yes, I want to feel something deep.
Deep feelings, I understand.
And then I press play and I let myself go.
Let yourself go. Beautiful.
Yes, I don't think about work. I don't think about stress. I just watch. I just feel.
That's the magic of movie night.
Yes, it's magic.
You know, Emma, I think movie night is important.
Important. How?
It gives us time to feel, time to rest.
Time to rest. Yes, we need that.
We live busy lives, we work hard, we forget to rest.
That's true. We forget to just be.
But movie night gives us that time.
It does. It's a gift.
A gift, yes, a gift to ourselves.
A gift to ourselves. I love that.
And sometimes we share at that gift with others.
With friends, with family.
Yes, movie night with friends is special.
Very special. Everyone sitting together, sharing the same feeling.
Sharing feelings, that's connection.
Yes, that's connection.
Do you remember a movie night with friends, Emma?
Oh, yes. I remember one very special night.
Tell me.
It was winter, very cold outside.
Cold outside, but warm inside?
Yes, warm inside. My friends came to my house.
How many friends?
4 friends. We were 5 together.
5 people, that's a good number.
Yes, we made hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, perfect for winter.
Yes, and we chose a movie together.
Together, that's nice.
It took us 20 minutes to choose.
20 minutes, that's a long time.
Yes, everyone wanted a different movie.
But you chose one finally.
Yes, we chose a movie about friendship.
Friendship, perfect for friends.
Yes, and we watched it together. We laughed together. We cried together.
Together, that's beautiful.
It was beautiful. I felt so close to my friends.
Close to your friends, that's what matters.
Yes, after the movie, we talked for hours.
You talked about the movie?
Yes, about the movie, about life, about everything.
That's the best part.
It is. The movie brings us together, but the talking connects us.
Connects us, yes.
That night, I felt grateful.
Grateful for what?
For my friends, for that moment, for the warmth.
That's beautiful, Emma.
Thank you, Alex.
Okay, everyone. Now let's learn some expressions.
Yes, these are expressions we use when we talk about movies.
Don't worry, they are very simple.
Very simple. Just listen and feel.
The first expression is, it touched my heart.
It touched my heart.
This means the movie made you feel something deep.
Something deep, something special.
For example, that movie touched my heart.
That movie touched my heart. I say this when a movie makes me cry, happy tears.
Yes, exactly.
Let me give another example. Her story touched my heart.
Perfect. Her story touched my heart.
You can use this for movies, for stories, for real life.
Yes, anything that makes you feel something deep.
Okay, next expression. I can relate to that.
I can relate to that.
This means you understand. You have similar feelings.
Similar feelings, yes.
For example, I can relate to that character.
I can relate to that character. This means you understand the character. You feel the same way.
Yes, maybe the character is sad. And you were sad before too.
So you can relate.
Exactly.
Another example. I can relate to her situation.
I can relate to her situation. Very good.
This expression helps you connect with others.
Yes, it shows understanding.
Okay, the third expression is, it gave me hope.
It gave me hope.
This means the movie made you feel positive, made you believe in good things.
Believe in good things, yes.
For example, that movie gave me hope.
That movie gave me hope. I say this when a movie makes me feel better.
Yes, when it lifts your spirit.
Lifts your spirit. Beautiful.
Another example, his words gave me hope.
His words gave me hope. Perfect.
Hope is a powerful feeling.
Very powerful. We all need hope.
Yes, we do.
Okay. The fourth expression is, I was on the edge of my seat.
I was on the edge of my seat.
This means you were very excited, very nervous.
You couldn't relax. You had to know what happens next.
Yes, exactly.
For example, I was on the edge of my seat the whole time.
I was on the edge of my seat the whole time. This happens with exciting movies.
Yes, action movies, mystery movies.
You watch and you think, what will happen? What will happen?
Yes, you can't look away.
Another example. The last scene had me on the edge of my seat.
The last scene had me on the edge of my seat. Very good.
This expression shows strong emotion.
Yes, strong excitement.
Okay, the last expression is, it stayed with me.
It stayed with me.
This means you still think about it. You still feel it.
Even after the movie ends, it's still in your heart.
Still in your heart, yes.
For example, that movie stayed with me for days.
That movie stayed with me for days. This happens with powerful movies.
Yes, you finish watching, but you keep thinking about it.
You keep feeling it.
Another example, her words stayed with me.
Her words stayed with me. Beautiful.
This expression shows deep impact.
Yes, something that changes you a little bit.
Okay, let's practice these together.
Yes, let's make a little conversation.
Okay, I'll start. Did you watch that new movie?
Yes, I did. It touched my heart.
Oh, really? I can relate to that. I felt the same way.
It gave me so much hope.
Me too. I was on the edge of my seat during the last part.
And now it stays with me. I keep thinking about it.
Perfect. That's how we use these expressions.
Very natural, very simple.
You can practice these at home,
Yes, use them when you talk about movies.
or books, or stories.
Anything that touches your heart.
So, Alex, we talked a lot about movie night today.
We did. It was beautiful.
What do you take away from today?
Takeaway. You mean what do I learn?
Yes. What feeling do you have now?
I feel grateful. Grateful for movies, grateful for stories.
Me too. Stories connect us.
They do. They show us we are not alone.
Not alone. Yes.
Even when we watch alone, we feel connected.
Connected to the characters, connected to the feelings.
Yes, and sometimes connected to our own heart.
Our own heart. That's deep, Alex.
Thank you. I think movies help us understand ourselves.
They do. They show us our fears, our hopes, our dreams.
Our dreams, yes.
And that's beautiful.
It is. What about you, Emma? What do you take away?
I feel warm. I feel reminded.
Reminded of what?
Reminded to slow down, to take time for myself.
Take time for yourself. That's important.
Yes, life is busy. We forget to rest.
We do, but movie night gives us that rest.
It does. It's a gift.
A gift, yes.
And I want to share this gift with you, everyone listening.
Yes, we want you to know it's okay to rest.
It's okay to take time for yourself.
It's okay to watch a movie, to feel, to cry, to laugh.
Yes, all of that is okay.
In fact, it's important.
Very important. These moments fill our hearts.
They fill our hearts, and then we can give more to others.
Yes, we can love more, care more.
Because we took care of ourselves first.
Exactly.
So tonight or this weekend, have a movie night.
Yes, choose a movie you love.
Make some popcorn, get a cozy blanket.
Turn off the lights. Let yourself feel.
Let yourself feel. That's the key.
Yes, don't think. Just feel.
And remember, you are not alone.
You are not alone. We are all connected.
Through stories, through feelings, through love.
Through love. Yes.
That's beautiful, Emma.
Thank you, Alex. And thank you, everyone, for listening.
Well, everyone, we are at the end of our time today.
Yes, time goes so fast.
It does, but we hope you enjoyed today.
We hope you felt something.
Warmth, joy, connection.
Yes, that's what we want for you.
And we hope you practice your English.
But remember, not studying, just feeling.
Just feeling, yes.
Listen to stories, watch movies, feel the language.
That's the best way to learn.
It is.
So everyone, we want to leave you with one thought.
Yes, one thought to carry with you.
Life is full of stories.
Full of stories, and you are part of those stories.
You are. Your life is a story too.
A beautiful story.
And every day you write a new page.
A new page, yes.
So make it a good page.
Make it warm. Make it kind.
Make it full of love.
Yes, love is the most important thing.
It is. Love for yourself, love for others,
Love for the little moments.
the little moments, like movie night.
Yes, like movie night.
These moments matter.
They do. They fill our hearts.
So take time for them.
Yes, take time.
And remember, we are here with you.
Always here with you.
Every week, we come back.
We share stories. We share feelings.
And we learn together.
Together, yes.
So until next time,
Until next time, take care of yourself.
rest well. Laugh often.
And watch a good movie.
Yes, watch a good movie.
Thank you for joining us today.
Everyday life, everyday English.
See you next time on Inside Daily English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Take care.